I'm la Profe Karen. Let's learn daily routine vocabulary today, okay? Let's go. First word is wake up. Wake up. Get up. Get up. I get up. Third, get out of bed. Get out of bed. Fourth, brush. Brush. Fifth, wash. Wash. Sixth, take a shower. Take a shower. Seventh, take a bath. Take a bath. Eighth, put on. I'll get this one. I put on a jacket. Ninth, get dressed. I get dressed. First, the jacket. Now, the shoes and the hat. All ready? Let's go. 10th, get ready. Okay, time to go.
11th, have breakfast.
Hi everyone, breakfast time. Let's head to the table. Okay, eggs and avocado toast. Let's dig in. This is so good. Perfect start to the day.
12th, eat.
Okay, time for a snack.
Drink.
So refreshing.
14th, prepare.
One, two, three, four. Let's do this.
15th, make.
Make a doubt.
Cook.
Let's check the aroma. Now for some salt. Perfect. Now lower the heat. High, too high.
17th, leave.
I leave.
18th, go to.
Go to.
19th, take.
This is mine. 21st, arrive. Finally, we made it. Arrive.
22nd, start.
Start.
23rd, teach.
Primero observen esta estructura aquí. Ahora veamos cómo se aplica.
24th, study.
Study.
25th, learn.
Aha! I got it. Learn.
26th, read.
Read.
27th, write.
Right?
28th, Listen. Listen. 29th, speak. Speak. 30th, talk. No way. Talk.
31st answer.
Hello? Answer. 32nd, project. Correct. 33rd, check. Done. Check. 34th, send. Thirty-fifth, USE. Use. 36th, work. Work. 37th, practice. Practice. 38th, DO. I do my homework. 39th, clean. Clean. 40th, wash. Wash. 41st, walk. Walk. 42nd, run. Run.
43rd, exercise.
Exercise. 44th, stretch. Stretch. 45th, rest. Rest. 46th, relax. Relax. 47th, watch. Watch. 48th, go to bed. Good night. Go to bed. 49th, sleep. Sleep. 50th, review.
Review. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me everywhere.